Okay, I finally got the Drumstick Blizzard. Smells good. Okay, not bad. Yeah, that's good. Peanuts, some waffle, some of the cone, some of the chocolate. I like it. I also got the Take 5 here. Don't look at me. Okay. Rain freeze. This one's better. Take 5 is definitely 100% better. That was very good. You know what it is about the Take 5 one? It's like the perfect balance of salty, sweet, and savory. You got the peanut butter, you got the peanuts, you got the pretzel, you got the chocolate, and then the vanilla. It's all good. The Drumstick one, it's like, it's too mushy. The flavors are bad. It's not great. So Take 5 all the way. Take care, and I miss you.